In this video, I will teach you how to navigate Canvas. There are two ways to enter the Canvas Learning Management System. One way is through the Canvas app, the other is through Clever. I will be teaching the first graders how to use the Canvas app. First, find the app that looks like a red sun and it has the word student underneath and tap it. If it's your first time entering the Canvas app, you'll need to tap the blue button that says Find My School. Type in Hamilton Southeastern Schools for your school name. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your child's HSE email. Their email address can be found on their login card inside the pocket of their red folder. The password can also be found on that same login paper in the red folder. After your child logs into Canvas, they will arrive at the dashboard. They need to tap My Picture to find their first grade assignments. One way to find their assignments is to tap the big green button that says Virtual Instruction. By tapping on the blue button that says Friday, your child will be directed to the module that contains all the learning activities for the day. Another way to find the activities and lessons for the day is to tap on the word modules. I label the module with the name of the day and the date. Your child will work through this list of learning activities. Simply tap on the first one and get started. On the Canvas pages, your child will find a gray circle with a white triangle on the inside. By tapping this button, your child can hear the directions. Be sure to scroll down to see all the information on each page of the module. If you see a green plus sign, that means there's an assignment to be submitted. You can tap the green plus sign or you can tap the word Next. Both ways will take you to the assignment. Usually, I ask the children to take a picture or a video of their work. To do that, tap the camera. If you get a pop-up that says Access the camera, just tap OK. After taking a picture, go ahead and hit the blue Submit button. Hope this video helps you navigate Canvas and have a successful e-learning